channel. This is day 2 of me getting this braids. It freakishly looks funny, but I'm keeping it together and hopefully I see how it turns out. My locks are going to be very low density from here on. See my braids out, my braids in, so keep in touch. We have it's Saturday afternoon, so I get my locks. But before I get my locks, I did put it on bunny, so that's why I'm scarfed up. Yeah, this is for today. We should walk with you when we are all gathered up. Stay tuned. So I woke up with my I had this bad headache since yesterday. And I woke up with it again. Not my fault. I can't sleep. I'm so tired. And I don't know if it's because I'm expectant of how things would go or the outcome. I'm stressed a bit. The headache, my body hurts from the program. Even my scalp hurts from the ponytail. I don't know if this was the right decision to choose today to do it. Because I don't know. I have a semi-off today. It was going to be a bit stressful. It was like, let's see how it goes. I washed my hair yesterday to take out the gel. And I didn't put any of extra stretch because sometimes my head aches. I know how they're going to go about but I'm going to have a headache by the end of the day and I know it. So let's see how it changes. I finally made it to the morning. I'm out. This is the earliest I come out. Even when I'm going to work, I don't come out this early. So yes, I'm out and I'm heading to get a bus to where I'll be doing my lock. It's quite far from here. Depending on the traffic, it should take between 2 to 3 hours. So I dropped by the office to do some 1 or 2 things before I get to the location. Her place is not so far from where I am now. So I'm going to wrap up a few things and then set off. My appointment is 30 minutes from now. It should take me 15 to get there. So we are here and we are waiting for them to start. So it's really funny. My friend, you know what? Yesterday I was not able to complete my hair. So what they did was they've locked all the tips, like half of the hair. I don't know how close this can focus on the hair. So yeah, they've locked. I want it to focus on the hair. It's not okay. This is better. So let me take a very visible. Okay, I think I see it from here. So they've locked this. Oh, give me way. So this is one clear example where they've not locked the roots, but the tips have been locked. So today I'm supposed to go in for them to finish after work. I don't think they can, but they are saying they can. So I'm going to trust them. The problem is how I'm going to style it to work today. Like how I'm going to make it look like, because I can't style this. And my hair has shrunk. Is that a correct word? Anyway, yeah. I had my hair being here on my collarbone, underneath my collarbone. This is maybe on my collarbone. The back was locked completely. And front of my hair, it feels like they cut it, but they haven't. The front of my hair will come like all the way down here on my leg. Like very short now. Anyway, this is my new face. Sisterlocks is stressful. I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. So this is how it looks from all sorts of angles, but they are not done like I stated earlier. I couldn't really style it, so I left it like this. Hopefully, I think I'm done. That's the short one. So my hair is still not done. Today I spent an extra 5 hours in addition to the 12. So yeah, except for this section here. Everything else has been done except this part, my car. So hopefully tomorrow they should be able to help me complete it and I'd be fully locked. So I don't know what date to use as the exact date when I got my locks, whether the final day they'll come, maybe the final, which is the 13th, God willing, tomorrow. Let's see how it turns out. Excuse me, I'm supposed to cut that out, but if I don't, after 3, I'll say 2 whole days actually. It's not even up to a day, but like, you get me. We have finally completed the head. See, if I say I am not tired, I am actually lying. I am so tired, but I love it. Yeah, I really love it. They got the patterns right. My hair has shrunk, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Yes, so I'll keep you posted on the outcomes and anything that happens. I haven't counted it yet because I'm tired. I just go home. So I'll do the count and the update and anything that comes up later. Yeah. Bye. At this point, bye.